Hello, how are you? All participants, please listen my voice. Are you listening my voice? Okay. Now I will tell about Gayatri therapy, prescription of Gayatri therapy for diabetic patients. Any diabetic patients having chronic diabetes must have and use this prescription prescribed by me. The prescription is already written on the this digital board. What is that? First of all, every man who is feeling himself diabetic patient, if his diabetes is more than 200, yeah, more than 100, it doesn't mean how much it is, but first you get it measured. You get it test measured that how much diabetes you have, what is the sugar level you have early in the morning and after taking meal, both levels you should first ascertain before starting this prescription, starting this management of disease. So first is all, you have to take three things. First is, what is this? This is the Tripada Gayatri therapy. In this Gayatri therapy, we only use four things. First thing is, we have four things we have. I have written three things here. One more thing I will write here. First is, you should take one prescription. What is that? Write a page of Gayatri Mantra every day. In page 30 lines, almost 30 lines in a page. And so you should write how many times Gayatri Mantra? 30 times in a day, neither more nor less. Here quantity is very much technical and important. It is very good, but excess quantity may be harmful to you. So first is that you take only 30 lines per day. How many days? 90 days. At least 90 days, 3 months you have to write. That's why completely the diabetes will go away. Second thing is, you have to chant 5 minutes. What is Gayatri Mantra? Where? On your solar plex. Close your eyes and concentrate yourself on your solar chakra. Solar chakra means just above Nabhi. Where is the pancreas exist? Because you know why diabetes is suffering to you is the insulin level is not properly consumed. Where is insulin level? Insulin level is secreted by the pancreatic glands. So you should concentrate for 5 minutes and pronounce what is Gayatri Mantra. And having in your mind a white light coming from the universe. So what are the 5 minutes? Pronunciation or chanting. Secondly, concentrate yourself on pancreatic gland or known as solar system, in Hindi or Sanskrit known as Manipurak Chakra or Nabhi Chakra. Third, you have to do is pronouncing of Gayatri Mantra for 90 days. When you are taking your food, before food only once, one time Gayatri, you will speak Gayatri Mantra only for one time. Before taking water, before taking sleep, whenever you sleep, either in daytime or at night, you should pronounce Gayatri Mantra only one time and then you go to your bed and get sleep there for 90 days. Every 3 prescription, 3 doses are prescribed here. You should take it for 90 days to remove completely diabetes from your body, because diabetes is not an ordinary disease. It is a disease of ethereal body. So medical doctors cannot cure it completely. They will prescribe medicine throughout the age. So this therapy will work in 90 days completely. And then fourth thing, one more, that is also essential. What is that? Fourth, you should write. Fourth is Havan therapy or fire therapy system. Havan therapy, Gayatri Havan. Gayatri Havan for 90 days. Only 3 times. Only 3 times. It means every month after completion of 30 days, on one day you will observe, you will do Gayatri Havan. It means how many times? 3 times only. After every month you will observe, you will do Gayatri Mantra, and 3 times you will do it. So these 4 things, if you follow in your life, again I will summarize it. What is that? Writing 1 page of Gayatri Mantra, about 30 lines, that is for 90 days. Okay, clear it. Then second, only 5 minutes chanting of Gayatri Mantra on solar plexus for proper utilization of insulin hormone. Okay, and then third is pronouncing of Gayatri Mantra before taking your food, before taking water, and before sleep. All right. And then fourth is after every month of your practice of Gayatri therapy, you will do 1 day Gayatri Havan. This Havan may be taught or may be learned in our classes, in our workshop. You should join our community, and in community we will perform, we will demonstrate the whole process of Havan. So these 4 things are only prescribed. It will remove your diabetes completely. You will be cured in 90 days. Now I will tell what will happen in your body. What is the chemistry? What is the change in chemistry in your body? Yes, the magic of Gayatri therapy. What is the magic? That the changes in blood chemistry. Your chemistry of blood will undergo a drastic change. You will find this thing in your body. What will happen? It will happen that after 90 days, when you will again measure your glucose level, sugar level, what would find? In your blood vessels, you will find one thing, GABA, G-A-B-A, GABA. GABA hormone will secrete adequately. Then what would happen? It will stimulate. What is insulin level? Secondly, what is in insulin level? Beta cells. Beta cells. It means, what is beta cells? Alpha cells will be destroyed and beta cell will be manufactured adequately. So what would happen? Glucose level will go down, or neither go down, it will be balanced. Secondly, endorphin hormone will be available adequately. So what would happen? This would happen. Stress will go away. Stress will go away. Peace will be coming in your body, in your blood, in your mood. You will be having a peaceful mood. So what would happen? Here, endorphin hormone. This is a research study done by the joint efforts of All India Medical Institute, Delhi, the biggest and highest medical body of our India. And second, the highest industrial body institution, Indian Institute of Technology. This is also biggest and highest technological body in India. Both jointly made a research, and after that research, the conclusion is this: what? Taking Gayatri therapy, what would happen? GABA will be increased enormously. Secondly, endorphin hormone will be increased adequately. And third thing is that beta cells of pancreas will be increased in greater amount and stress will go away. Stress free hormone. This hormone, endorphin hormone, is known as stress free and pain relieving hormone. So this hormone will be increased in your blood vessels, in your body. So this is a complete solution of diabetes. So any diabetic patient should take it without any precaution. Precaution is neither needed anything. You take whatever that medicines is prescribed by your doctor, you continue that. And another, no any type of abstaining is needed here. No any type of any other discipline is needed. But only discipline is this: neither you take more dose as prescribed. As you medical doctor prescribes that you take 1 paracetamol 3 times a day, and he gives paracetamol for a week. You shouldn't take all paracetamol 21 in a day. If you take all 21 paracetamol in a day, then what would happen? It will be harmful. In the same way, you will observe these things. First, don't go exceed the limit. Only 1 page is enough writing Gayatri Mantra. Secondly, only 5 minutes are enough for meditation on solar plexus. Similarly, what is the only 1 havan in a month is enough. Okay? Please keep in your mind the quantities given and prescribed, neither less nor excess. Okay? Now completely start it from today and enjoy the benefits in 90 days. Thank you very much.